Welcome, dear viewers. This is ERi-TV English News broadcast for today, January 21st at exactly 10:30 p.m. local time here in the capital, Asmara. These are the top stories for today. Training on geological information and technology in Asmara. Microcredit and savings program in the northern Red Sea region. The 2025 World Economic Forum annual meeting commenced in Davos. And at least 66 people killed as fire engulfs a Turkish ski hotel. On your domestic reports, a training on geological information and technology organized in collaboration with the Ministries of Energy and Mining and Foreign Affairs was provided to 44 people in Asmara. The training was conducted by Chinese experts. The one-month training was attended by staff members from the Ministries of Energy and Mining, Land, Water and Environment, the Office of Cartography and Information, and the Electricity Corporation of Eritrea. Emphasizing the significance of the training for developing the country's technological capacity, Mr. Alam Kibrab, Director General of Mining at the Ministry of Energy and Mining, expressed his expectation that the trainees would apply the knowledge gained to enhance the daily operations of their respective institutions. Mr. Li Shan, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China in Eritrea, stated that the training was part of the ongoing cooperation between the two countries in human capacity development. He commended the organization of the program and the interest demonstrated by the trainees throughout. Engineer Ta'ame Adhanom, a representative of the trainees, remarked that the training was the first of its kind. He expressed the hope that it would make a significant contribution to the successful implementation of their daily activities. In other news, the Microcredit and Savings Program in the northern Red Sea region reported that over 25 million NAFA in loans were disbursed to customers in 2024. The report was presented during an activity assessment meeting held on 20 January in the port city of Massawa. Mr. Abdul Ibrahim, head of the branch office in the region, stated that the program has allowed customers to receive loans in nearby areas, significantly contributing to improving their livelihoods. He further noted that 51% of the 10,000 customers are female. Mr. Abdul also mentioned that out of the 52 million NAFA distributed from 87 village banks, about 31 million NAFA has been collected. Efforts are being made to expand the program to more areas in the region. Compared to the previous year, the number of customers has increased by 12%, he added. Mr. Tafla Asmarom, acting manager of the program, emphasized that efforts are being made to expand the program in the region and called for coordinated efforts from administrators and stakeholders. During the meeting, participants engaged in in-depth discussions and endorsed several recommendations, including conducting investigations on individuals before providing loan services, offering training on the usage and modality of loan provision, and paying proper attention to remote areas of the region, among others. The Microcredit and Savings Program, that was established in 1996, has over 75,000 customers nationwide. Still with your local reports, Youth Workers Week featuring sports and cultural activities was held in Maimene subzone. The event was attended by members of the local administrators in the subzone, as well as representatives from the Ministries of Education, Agriculture and Health. Mr. Yamane Medhane, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the subzone, stated that the week made a significant contribution to fostering unity and mutual understanding among the youth. He also commended all those who contributed to the successful implementation of the program. The participants emphasized the importance of organizing youth workers and called for the inclusion of more female participants in the future programs. The event featured cultural and artistic performances. The viewers will be back shortly with your international reports and more, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. The 2025 World Economic Forum annual meeting commenced on Monday in Davos, Switzerland, calling for global cooperation amid global uncertainty. Teamed Collaboration for the Intelligent Age, the five-day event brings together nearly 3,000 participants from various regions and industries to discuss issues across 5 pivotal areas: reimagining growth, industries in the intelligent age, investing in people, safeguarding the planet, and rebuilding trust. Klaus Schwab, founder and chairman of the Board of Trustees of the World Economic Forum, said the meeting will foster closer international cooperation to shape the forthcoming intelligent age in a more sustainable and inclusive way in the face of multiple challenges and the intelligent era. The managing director of the World Economic Forum, Jeremy Jurgens, said many parties are looking forward to cooperating with China, which is playing an active role in sustainable development. On today's final report, according to officials, a fire has engulfed a hotel in the Turkish ski resort of Bolu, killing 66 people and injuring at least 51 more. According to the Interior Minister, the fire broke out at the 12-story Grand Kartal Hotel during a busy holiday period, when 232 people were staying there. After announcing the material catastrophe caused by the incident, the minister indicated that the circumstances which led to the fire are still under investigation. An initial toll of 10 dead was raised significantly in the hours after the fire by the Turkey's Interior Ministry. Rescue efforts continued throughout the morning, and the Interior Minister said emergency services had deployed 267 people to respond to the fire. The Bolu Mountains are popular with skiers from Istanbul and the capital Ankara, and the hotel was operating at high occupancy at the start of 2-week school holidays. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a recap of the top stories. Training on geological information and technology in Asmara. Microcredit and savings program in the northern Red Sea region. The 2025 World Economic Forum annual meeting commenced in Davos. And at least 66 people killed as fire engulfs a Turkish ski hotel. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.